Good morning. This is Nita with the Timepiece Garden. So all the weather yesterday said that we'd have thunderstorms by 1 o'clock last night. I didn't have any up here on the hill. It stayed south of me. It is raining south of me right now. They've got some bad stuff going on, say down in Huntsville, which is maybe a 30-minute ride. I got nothing. I'm dry. Road's dry. And that's not going to stay that way. You know, it's going to move. I'm going to get some rain at some point in time. But I don't have any right now. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go in, make us some breakfast. Huh, Panda, you ready for some videos? You ready for some videos? So, but I thought I'd say good morning. You know, hang out, look at the purple irises under the tree that are, you know, blooming away. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. That's my morning face. Got my little velveteens over here. Got a blue one here. Yeah, I know. I'm a sap for flowers. Alright, well, I'll talk at you later. Yes, it's raining again. Panda doesn't care. She actually likes the taste of rainwater. You know, she doesn't care if she gets wet. She shakes it off, keeps on going. She's trying to catch the water as it comes out of the drain ditch there, because that's the fun game we play like with the hose. Catch the water. She'll sit there for a while and do it. Just try and catch the water. So a little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder. Lots of rain. It's been raining non-stop since, I don't know, 10 o'clock-ish. Birds don't mind. Alright, well, y'all have a great day. Stay warm, stay dry. And I'll talk at you later.